Well, in this second tutorial, what we're going to do is to show how to control our robot through a plugin. It's going to be a ROS package that we have first of all developed in Python. So I'm going to explain it a little bit. The first thing is, as the GUI environment of Gazebo takes a lot of resources from a graphical card. What we're going to do is to set the GUI to false. So when we are executing our world, that we can do as we saw before with the ROS launch, okay, the interface, the graphical interface, is not going to be loaded, and our computer is going to be simulating the physical world, as you can see here, but we're not going to generate all the graphics and the meshes that are going to take out of time. So in fact, here what we have done in RViz is just to integrate the camera, as we saw in the first tutorial. And now what we're going to do is to explain a simple code that is called square, because we want first of all to try if we can make our robot move in a square. But for that, we're going first of all to move it in a straight line. So what we need to do is to import what you can see here, that in fact we need the ros-pi and then geometry messages to have the twist and the pose classes. And what we're going to do is to initialize a publisher that is going to send the pose information to the CND bell. Okay, so in fact this is another plugin that is in our model. So I hope opening this model we can see it. In fact, it's just this plugin here, so I'm going to comment it. So this is going to be the teleop or auto movement of the robot. Okay, so in fact what we are doing here is just saying to the to Gazebo that you have to publish the CM bell. Well, in fact it's going to be a service, okay, in this case. So when we have that already done, we load the world, as you can see here. We open the RViz, we set the camera, and we build the package regarding that Python file that is going to be in basic motion. Okay, so if we check really fast how the folder and the package is made, we have the basic motion, and inside we have the scripts. So in scripts we're going to set all the movement we want, because we're talking about Python scripts for the moment. So we do a catkin make, and after that we can launch ROS run basic motion square in this case. Okay, but I repeat, it's going to be just a movement in a straight line. And then we go to here to the visualizer in RViz, and we're able to see how the robot is moving automatically. So in fact, then we will try to complicate this a bit in order to send specific movement to the robot. But for example, if we stop the publisher, in this case this should stop. If it doesn't stop instantly, it means that the CM bell is still publishing, which means that we will have to edit this value of rate for the ros-pi in order to and the ros-pi sleep in order to make it work better. So this is all regarding this tutorial.